are you thinking or maybe already doing a YouTube channel and want to learn how to make thumbnails in Canva? Well, go ahead and stick around because that's what I'm talking about today, and I'm starting right now. Hello everyone, my name is Veronica Edwards and I'm a full-time real estate agent, and I make videos sharing my success as a realtor and documenting my journey without cold calling or door knocking. And if that's something you're interested in, then go ahead, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell so you're notified every time I post a new video. Now today I was gonna go ahead and I'm gonna show you how I make my thumbnails for my videos I post on YouTube. Now, when I first started out, it was very overwhelming. I was buying this software and doing that and figuring out this, and I bought so many apps for my phone. I still don't know how to use half of them. When it all came down to, it's just use Canva. Not only is Canva free, but it is so easy to make thumbnails on it. I do have the paid version, but go ahead, start with the free version and make your own thumbnails. Thumbnails are super important because when someone's scrolling through the feed on YouTube, you want your thumbnail to pop out, really grab their attention, make it interesting. Of course, I'm sure you heard, no clickbait. Don't say it's one thing and you provide something else. They're just gonna bounce anyways. You wanna make it very attracting, eye-catching, easy to read, easy to see. Come on, let's hop on my computer and I'll show you how I do my thumbnails. Okay, here we are. I'm logged into Canva already. This is basically your dashboard. And I just click in here and start typing YouTube. And there's thumbnail. They have all these templates, but I like to choose a blank one. And it'll be the perfect size for your thumbnail on your video. Again, they still have lots of templates, but I make my own. I just did a video for my Central Florida channel, and it's beachside versus mainland, meaning would you rather live on beachside here in Daytona Beach or mainland? So that's the thumbnail I'm looking to do. One of the things they really recommend is you have a face. So I have a bunch of pictures I have taken of myself or I've had someone help me take, and then I crop out the background. You can go to, if you need to crop out your background, you can go to remove.bg, and you can, for free, you can do a bunch of videos. You just upload it and then it'll give it right there. It may be a little grainy or something, but it definitely works. Or also if you have the paid version for Canva, there's a way you can remove it with Canva as well. So however you choose. Or maybe, yeah, you usually can't use background, like you need it completely cut out. So anyways, so I wanted to do, cause it's like, is it Daytona, is it beachside or mainland? I don't currently have, I was thinking of taking a new photo. I guess we could do maybe that one. No, that's weird. Okay, we'll just use this one. So they say something like the rule of thirds. So you want to make the photo about a third of the whole. You don't want to like super tiny, and then this words would be weird. So I guess what looks pleasing to the eye, that's how I do it. So I'm going to start off with it right here. As you can see, I'm pointing. And then in Canva, so I'm going to be pointing to the text. So you hit T in Canva. I love it. I learned that. Someone taught me that shortcut. Pulls up the text box. So I'm going to, in here, type beachside. Versus, or when you compare things, just drag it, make it bigger. People seem to like that. So hit text and array versus. It will be kind of like beachside or mainland. Which one do you prefer? Beachside. So you don't want like this real wordy neither, because many people look at go on YouTube on their phone, and if they can't read it, like because you're trying to write a book, it's just super hard. So it has to be eye-catching and it has to be easy to read. So I think I'm going to go ahead and make this bold. Just so it's a little bit easier to read. Okay, and if that happens, just stretch it out. It just got too big for the box I had it in. Probably make that a little bigger. And a little bigger. Okay. Beachside versus mainland. So I'm looking a little small. Definitely, even YouTube will tell you, definitely have a face on your thumbnails. I know some of the big YouTubers don't, but they can get away with a lot more stuff. They don't even need an introduction because they're a big YouTuber. So in the beginning, I definitely do whatever YouTube suggests. So I also, they say, make your background something. So don't leave it white. So I love here on Canva, you have all these background, I'm going to move me over here. They have all these background choices. Like if you want to do like a landscape, if you want to, I don't know, do pyramids, I guess that is, which really wouldn't make much sense. So I think with mine, I'm going to go ahead and delete that. I'm just going to do a nice background color, maybe something that pops. That definitely pops. And then make me a little bigger. Sometimes I put like a little slash behind the words and that makes it pop, or make the colors different, each color. So let's see, maybe we'll do now it's definitely eye-catching, definitely popping. Try and do your best. Leave it up for a few weeks. You could always change it again later if you decide you don't like, or you don't think not so much you don't like it, you don't think it's working. Because behind the scenes, you can see if your click-through rate, your thumbnail is working. So let me see. I think that looks fine. I mean, it's not a lot. I didn't put a lot into it, but it's effective and it will, I think, do the job for now. Again, maybe I'll have it up for a little bit and decide I'm not that crazy about it and want to change it. But at the end of the day, I just want to do a real quick video to show you how to do a thumbnail. They're not complicated. Don't waste a lot of money like I did buying crazy software you really don't need. This is fine. I'm going to go ahead and then you just download it. See if you have the paid version, you would just click this box and if it's just my photo, it'd make my background transparent, but obviously I want my background. So I'm going to download it. I'm going to go over here. I also have, it'll save everything you've done, all your designs. So you can see some of my postcards I've been working on. Here's one of my other thumbnails I did. Put a little star there to make it a little blingy. I just changed some of them. I did a bike tour, beach walk. Full party, hopefully you guys seen that one. Anyways, I do all my thumbnails here. So I just love Canva. I hope this really helps. If you have any questions at all, go ahead, drop a comment below or send me a message. That's fine too. I'm happy to help. Talk to you all soon.